If you are wondering whether it's possible to uh, turn your passion for investing into a full-time career or a full-time job, well, the answer is yes, you can do this, but it really depends on your financial goals and the type of investing you are doing. So today we are going to explore, the several ways that people have converted this same investing into a full-time career, or let's say a stay-at-home job. So let's get started. The first thing I want to explore, which is very obvious, is active investing. This approach is all about being in the market every day. You are always on your PC or your laptop or your phone, going through the trade. You buy today, let's say you buy in the morning, then you sell in the evening. People like this do this full time. This is what they do. They monitor the market. Maybe you buy a share, maybe a bank share for, like, let's say 500 naira, and you monitor it throughout today, maybe before the close of business day, and you get something like 510 or 505. You just decide to sell all the shares and then put the money together. This is what day trade involve. You have to be active, monitor the market. It's very stressful, but since some people see it as fun, so they do it anyways. And it's very volatile. There's possibility that, in fact, losing money is the chance of losing money is high, and the also chance of gaining a large sum of money is also high. So the day trading is where you buy stock, forex, or even cryptocurrency the same day, and you sell it the same day. It's a little bit stressful because the monitoring part is really high. It's really hard because it's not everyone that can sit at one place and keep monitoring the graph, whether it's going up or down and all those things. But that's number one way a lot of people I know have been earning a living by, monitoring this. And some of these people don't do any other job except this, and they make good money from it. But of course, you have to know the market. It's not something like a newbie will start. Even if you want to start as a newbie, you have to monitor the market, learn one or two things, and then you start with a little capital, and from there you grow. So when it comes to active trading, we have two types. I have mentioned the day trading. We also have swing trading. The swing trading is different from a day trading, and is a little bit less stressful compared to day trading, because with swing trading, you are able to, buy share today and leave it for a few days, monitor it for a few days, or buy cryptocurrency or forex, whatever it is. You buy it today, then you leave it for a few days before you sell it off. Then some leave it for up to, let's say, a week, even for let's say a few weeks before they can sell it off. But in a nutshell, swing trade is a little bit less stressful compared to day trade. But day trade people, they usually turn over their money, any amount they make that very day, they just sell it off, and then the following day they start with a new one, a new purchase and all that. So that's number one, active trading. But both of them requires that you understand the market very well. It's not something you just jump in. You need to do your research. If it's possible, self, get a mentor to mentor you, teach you the way, so that you can learn the ropes. Once you understand this, then you can start with little money, and then you increase your capital as you gain more experience by trading. So the next on my list is long-term investing. This one is different from active trading. It's a long-term investment. It's not like something you buy today and you sell tomorrow. You have to wait for your value of your things to appreciate over time. But the first one I'm going to talk about is dividend investing. The goal of dividend investing is to earn enough. If you are doing a dividend investing and you want to use it as a full-time investment, the goal is to build a strong portfolio. The portfolio should, generate enough income to cover your expenses, your daily living expenses, or something to invest on other things. But the point is, you'll be earning income, as you will earning a dividend from these stocks, and maybe the dividend should be enough to, run your day-to-day activity expenses. So that's what dividend stock is all about, picking the quality stocks that pays dividends. So the next on my list is property investment. We know that is usually, when you say property investment, most of our people just believe that you buy property, you buy property and then you rent it out. While that one still give income, a lot of income, if it can give a steady income if the tenant keep paying. There is also another one you can do which is very, very profitable. And that one is you buy a property, maybe a week old property or something, you renovate it. Sometimes you even demolish it and start afresh, build it and then sell it. For instance, let's say you bought everything, you build it, both the house, everything cost around $100,000. You can sell it as much as $150. So you can complete this within 6 months, and if the money is already there, you can complete this within 6 months, and you can sell it within that same 6 months, or even 7 months, depending on how, if the money is already available with you. Either you renovate or you build from scratch and resell. That one is different from renting out. And another one you can do also is to buy the property and then, sublet it. You can sublet it, list it on website like Airbnb and co. And when you sublet it, you'll be earning income. It's just that that one, it requires like a little bit of going into daily, or maybe going in there to, when the tenants move out, you need to find someone to clean up and do this thing. Apart from, and tidy up the place. Apart from that, that's another source of investing that gives money, that the money you make from that can cover your expenses and take care of your family for a while. Another method is value investing. All this fall under a long-term investment, but value investing involves buying a stock that is low. Most times there are stocks that have potentials, but at the moment they are still very low. The price are low, so you can buy it right now when people don't really know the value of the stock yet, and the stock is still trading at a low price. You buy a lot of them, and then you keep them, for you save them in your portfolio for a long time, and then when the price skyrockets, then you sell them. Sometimes it takes years, sometimes it takes months, depending on how quickly the price change. That's why with this method, it's really important that you have experience. You should be able to study the stock before you buy it, because some of the low price, cheap stock that you buy them and they will never go up. So at the end of the day, you lose a lot of money. So before you do this, make sure you know what you are doing. Another method is, for instance, if you have a background in finance, you can do certifications that will allow you to become a financial advisor or a portfolio manager. In this method, you can help people, you can advise rich people on how to invest their money, and they will give you percentage. Your mission is just to grow their money. Like for instance, you can advise them that, okay, this dollar fund is actually good. This mutual fund, I've studied it. This stock is good. This cryptocurrency is actually great. You advise them on things they can invest in, and as you are managing their fund, or you are a advisor fund, you are financial advisors, you're advising them and they are doing it, you'll be earning commission. That's another way. But with this method, you need to have some certification, maybe some background in finance related a course. Then you can pursue certification that will qualify you to become a financial advisor or a portfolio manager. So can investing be a full-time job? Absolutely. For many people, investing is like something they do on the side while they keep their full-time job. But with enough capital, if you have enough capital saved up, and you have the knowledge, and you have the determination and time, you can actually turn this into a full-time job. So all you do is stay at home, even when you can go to coffee shop and monitor your investments while you chat with a friend. You see, so it will give you your freedom and give you your life back. So I would like to hear what you think. Would you consider going into investing as a full-time job? Is this something you would ever consider to do? uh, please leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then click subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.